Today I'm going to be teaching you about velocity and acceleration. So we were going to define them and then look at their equations one by one. So now let's start with velocity. So velocity basically tells us how fast is the displacement changing. So this is the real definition. It tells you how fast is the displacement changing and moving. So we have here the equation. So this V, then there's a line on the top of it, and then we have this thing which is the final position. So X means position in the X direction. We're just going to put it like that, but in reality it's just D. So this is the final position, this is XF, X sub F, and it is just the difference of these two. So this is initial position. So we can just say it is triangle then position. You know that that symbol, the triangle one, that is delta x, no, delta t. Okay, this one is going to be the average velocity. So we have a line above it, therefore it's just average velocity. But we can remove it though. So now let's move on to acceleration. So acceleration basically tells us how fast is the velocity changing for time. So that's it. That is basically basic definition of acceleration. It tells you how fast is the velocity changing. So in velocity, it is just the displacement and how it change over time. But in acceleration, it's the velocity on how it change over time. So this thing, A, then there's above a line. Above it, there's a line. This is just the average acceleration, the symbol. And this BF, this is going to be the final velocity. And this B naught is going to be the initial velocity. And then under it, it is just the time. So that's basically it for this video. I hope you learned something, and goodbye.